Hello, my crafty friends. It's Nikki again, and we're going to continue with our 10-minute challenge. And hopefully, we're going to finish up some cards. I decided to use my new foam mounting tape from Dollar Tree, and we're going to pop up this piece right here when we get to that point. So let me get them out of the container, and then we'll start. All right. There we go. Okay. 10 minutes on the clock. As you know, we started off with these 3, so we're going to finish putting these on. 3 more for a total of 6. Hi there. Sorry about that. The clock stopped at 9:39, and it was giving me grief about my battery. So we will go ahead and start the clock, and I was just getting ready to put this pattern paper on the next card base. So here we go. Again, this paper is A Perfect Christmas by Echo Park. And this paper here is old one from Stampin' Up. Just several years old. At least 2, not more. Okay, there's that one. And then one more. Okay. Next is let's do these 2 because I chose the garden green to go with the garden green in the pattern paper. Oh. I get this crafter's tape by subscription. I get a box of 4 every couple months from Amazon. It works out really good because by the time I use this pack up, here comes another one. Right in the middle. So we get a nice peek of the paper. Ah. Okay, now let's do the other 4. This is a lot faster than that score tape, I have to admit. Okay, 2 more left. This is kind of interesting. I guess you could use either side of this, the presents. I don't know if you can see, this is embossed and this is debossed. So either side will look kind of cool. All right. Go ahead and pop these up. Let's do all of them at once. That's the idea, is to go ahead and do batch things and do everything at once. Oh, I missed stamping one of the pieces. Ooh, okay. Well, I might do that off camera just to get caught up. Okay, I'll do that number 5 off. I have to stamp it before I pop it up. See, I totally forgot to put the joy on there. So I will do that. So we'll have 5 for now. I know the original one wasn't popped up, but I thought let's jazz them up just a little bit. Of course, it's going to cost me time, but c'est la vie. And then we'll put the bow on. Probably get that done. We'll probably get them totally finished next time. I was really surprised and get this whole roll for $1. Yeah, I think they work just fine. Okay. Two minutes. Let me grab my glue dots, and we'll put the little bows on. I do not tie my own. I will admit it. I buy them off of Etsy. Okay, there's one completed card. I've been very happy with the people I buy them from, so. All right, less than a minute. We got 3 cards done. Well, I haven't stamped the inside yet, but I'll do that. I'll do that later. Okay, 4 and 5. All right. There's 5 cards. And we are down to 5 seconds. Yep, okay. I'm going to go ahead and stamp this anyway. Okay. So there we are. We have 5. All I need to do on these is stamp the sentiment inside. And then I'll finish this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we will have 7 cards. So, thank you again for joining me. And we will finish up next time. You have a wonderful evening. And see you soon. Bye-bye.